Well, the weather's getting warmer, the sun is shining, and that means we're putting our sun visors to good use. And if yours, like ours, have been on a lot of adventures over the years and starting to show a little bit of wear and tear, we're going to show you just how easy it is to swap some new lenses onto your Rosen system right here in our 172. All right, so swapping out the lenses is really easy. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. There are 3 screws that you have to keep track of and the lens strip. All right, so if your system is installed correctly, the red knob is gonna be towards you. You're just gonna flip that lens out. Now you got these 3 screws and this lens strip is gonna come off. Now, if you want to, you can do this out of the cockpit as well. There is 1 screw right here in the end, and if you pull that out, it's going to let this mod block drop right off the post. But something to be very aware of is that there is also a lock washer in here. Make sure you keep track of that lock washer, because if that lock washer falls, it will no doubt be eaten by a gremlin and you will never find it again. All right, so 3 small screws. Take out our old lens and swap on our new lens. It's gonna have the paper on it. I suggest leaving that paper on until you actually have it up and installed, just to make sure you don't scratch it at all. Take our lens strip, line it up, and then just make sure that the angled part on a Cessna is towards the edge of the windshield when it's closed. Make sure it's all lined up with the hole. The screws should be nice and snug. You don't want them backing out, but they don't need to be overly tight. And there we go. Now we just gotta do the other side. And now the best part, peel off the paper. And that's all there is to it to swap the lenses on your system. They're all pretty much just as easy, from the Citation and the Gulfstream all the way down to the 152, everything in between. So make sure and take advantage of our lens sale going on right now. We have 20% off all of our lenses, or 30% off when you buy 2. That's about $60 in savings. Take advantage of that using the code and the link in the description below. And just wishing you sunny skies from all of us here at Rosen.